For a family to decide to homeschool their children is a very important decision to make. There are many good positive effects to homeschooling. However, as a parent, it is a huge commitment to make. There are many decisions one has to make as parents and answer a lot of questions to see if homeschooling would benefit their family. Some of the many common questions are: is it cheaper to homeschool versus the cost to send a child to public schools? How will scheduling time for homeschooling academics fit into a daily routine? Would a homeschool child get enough interaction with children their own age? While these questions are only a few of the questions a family might have about homeschooling, there could be many more questions depending on the family's living situation. Any family should consider their financial situation when thinking about the option to homeschool their children. Homeschooling a child could possibly get expensive if a family allows it. There are some ways a family would be able to cut down on expenses. A parent would not have to buy their child the latest expensive style of clothing or even have to purchase school uniforms. Their children would be able to wear their everyday, around the house clothing. A family would, however, have to buy school supplies, whether they are homeschooled or go to a public school. But some homeschooling gives the parent an option of purchasing the supplies for their studies throughout the year, instead of all at once, like when attending public schools. School supplies are a necessity for public schools. When homeschooling, a family can determine what school supplies they need and when they might need them. Scheduling time for a homeschool child can be an easy task to overcome. Nowadays, it is almost necessary for both parents to work, but being able to homeschool their kids while working is still a possibility. One of the aspects of homeschooling is it can be done anytime throughout the day. Plus, the help from family, friends, and their community make it easier as a parent that has a job they have to attend to. As a parent, it is common to worry about whether or not the child will get enough interaction with children their own age. When a child goes to public school, they get interaction with other kids, but they are also subjected to bullying, peer pressure, or introduced into drugs. Having a child subjected to any kinds of negativity is the last thing any parent wants for their children. Homeschooled kids usually interact with their peers through various other activities, like church youth groups, or many different athletic leagues. In this way, parents can also keep a closer eye on who their children are hanging out with. While homeschooling may not be for everyone, it is definitely possible for all families to achieve. Parents should consider homeschooling their children for all of these very good reasons.